Hi Asia, I'm going to give you some feedback. Every year, millions of people are traveling around the world. How to make a trip full of happiness, and so here you're missing a verb, and to have, and then word order, less worries. Um, and here, what's missing? I bet you can guess. Country must be chosen. A country or the country must be chosen first. So you're missing an article. Fly tickets. So the noun form is wrong. You need to say flight tickets usually, and then we need to agree. Tickets has to agree with the verb. So if it's tickets, what's the verb going to be? What's the plural form of the verb? The most expensive. I'll let you fix that. So they, because you're talking about tickets again. So your pronoun here has to, your subject has to reflect the plurality here. So they should be booked first, but you've got the passive voice correct. Then a date and to-do lists needs S to be decided on. Good use of passive voice. The places visited must be chosen. Good. Don't forget about historical places. They, again, so you have places, so you're going to have your subject they. They should be found in advance. Hotels had better be booked as early as you can for the best price. Definitely, don't leave it to the last minute. On the day of the departure, your suitcase must be packed. Good use of passive. Make sure that your passport is. Now here you have the opposite problem. You have a singular subject with a plural verb, so you want to change your verb. When packing, don't forget that all the essentials you need. You don't need that. Don't forget all the essentials you need to be packed. Finally, make sure that your smartphone has plenty of room on its memory card, comma, plenty of pictures will be, oh, I see, you have a colon. Plenty of pictures will be taken during your trip. Okay, good work.